In this video, we're looking at word problems that are solved using quadratic equations, specifically the word sums on tempo. So what are word sums on tempo? Well, if you have 2 people doing a job, or 5 people painting a room, or 2 pipes emptying a container, and the tempo at which they work are compared, you know you've got tempo problems. Okay, tempo problems are usually done with a table and not too difficult. Okay, so let's start with this one. 2 people are working together to build a wall in 6 days. The less experienced person would take 5 days longer working alone than the more experienced person. Determine how long each person would take to complete the wall by themselves. So who are the people working on building this wall? Well, we have an experienced person A, a less experienced person B, and then the 2 together. Okay, the unit they are building it is in days, the time unit. So all of them are building in days. So we must just always check that the unit is the same for all the persons. Days. Okay, how many days does experienced person A take? Well, that we don't know, so we make it X. We know that less experienced person B will take 5 days longer. That's X plus 5. And we know that together they will take 6 days. Okay, so what can they do? What amount of work can they do in 1 day? So in 1 day, we'd like to compare them all on a certain unit, and that is 1 day. So in 1 day, together, they will build 1/6 of the wall. Okay, in 1 day, person A that builds X days on the wall will build 1/X of the wall. And in 1 day, person B will build 1/X plus 5 of the wall. So we're taking all of their work to 1 day. We're seeing which portion of the work will they be able to do in 1 day. Now it's time for the equation. We are going to use the last column's info, what each of them did in 1 day for our equation. So we're going to say in 1 day, okay, what A built plus what B built must be what A plus B built together. Okay, what did A build of the wall? Which portion? 1/X. And B, 1/X plus 5. And together, 1/6. And there's your equation. So now you just get your LCM, which is 6x, x plus 5. Multiply each term with the LCM, so this becomes 6x plus 5 plus 6x equals x plus 5. And now we just solve the equation. This is the easy part, solving the equation. It's going to be a quadratic equation, x squared minus 7x minus 30. If we carry on here, we get x minus 10, x plus 3, and then x is 10, or x is negative 3. You can't build an amount of negative 3 days on a wall, so x is 10. Therefore, A takes 10 days. What does B take? Well, B was x plus 5, so B takes 15. Together they take 6. Well worth working together on building a dam. Hope you understand this. Goodbye.